welcome back to my channel, Marvelous View. So today video is all about YouTube Black Future Insider event. It's happening here in Lagos 2024. So come along with me and enjoy this event, okay? So please don't forget to like this video, comment and share. Let's go. So here I enter the pre-hall because this is the hall they welcome us. So I'm just here taking pictures and dancing to the music. I'm just catching fun and enjoying myself. You see, and I cited one of my YouTube creator. I just I was so happy. That day was fun. So I also have my baby sis here live and direct. We create content together. So we're just hanging around there before the beginning of the program. So we have the menu list on the table. We have a lot of meals. YouTube don't joke with their creators. Anytime I attend their events, I'm always full. Yes, I eat and drink and enjoyed myself. I trust YouTube for that. Their event is always top notch. And that's my little sister. She's also a YouTube creator. So we're just catching fun. Everybody's just hanging around. The program has not started. We're just here moving around, taking pictures, eating small chops and soft drinks, meeting people. These are my small chops. So I was just there enjoying it. The pop-off is so hot, and I'm just eating it gently so that it will not burn my mouth. You can see the way I'm enjoying it. There is no seat for me to sit. The place is already full because I didn't get there on time. So guys, it's time for us to enter into the main hall. So this is the main hall. I told you the previous one we are eating small chops and drinks was pre-hall. So this is the main hall for the program. So the hall is so big, spacious, and it's so beautiful. You can see the decor, the background of the stage. So we are sitting, waiting for the program to start, and we have a lot of people that we are expecting, like Eka Onani, Koti O, Stephen Udoko, and House of Ajebo. And we also have Adam. I think he works with YouTube. And the DJ for that day is so bad. The guy can play. You could have heard the music, but I have to silence it because of copyright issue. So YouTube actually organized this masterclass for all YouTubers in Lagos. So to know how to monetize our channel, to know what algorithm is saying, to know more on how to create more valuable content. So make sure you watch this video to the end. I promise you are going to learn a lot. So keep watching.
And it's about a platform that has the opportunity to showcase, to amplify, and to monetize the creativity that exists in this room.
I think what my journey has been like, I was heavily influenced by, the people who are around me, aunties, uncles. I remember Saturdays. Oh, we don't have them like we used to. Sunday mornings where, sanitation. That time in Nigeria, sanitation was a thing. Like you have to clean the house, clean your streets, wherever your compound every Saturday morning. So Saturday mornings was for cleaning. and then my aunties will put on music like Celine Dion and your angel.
Okay.
And
So black brothers everywhere were doing the same thing all over the world.
singing their hearts out. Westlife, R. Kelly, and all that just influenced, some of my personality and some of the things that I liked and my taste in music. And so I fell in love with R&B music. I started singing, and then everybody just started telling me, I can be a musician. But I wanted to be a lawyer only because at the time there were only a couple of occupations. It was doctor, lawyer, and engineer. And connect and talk, okay? Yeah. So we're just going to be moving on to the next segment of this real quick. We're going to be talking about gamifying the game. Gaming the game. Gaming the game is about, let me just break it down. It's just about the algorithm. Everything I learned from, so to start with, I graduated school with a third class, and obviously I wasn't going to continue my life trying to make my third class work for me. So I had to find a way to work for myself. And so I stumbled on video production, video editing, and I was doing that at my job for a period of time. Um, and on the side, I started to drop. In fact, I had a whole new YouTube channel, a different YouTube channel. I was dropping videos on the YouTube channel, and nobody was watching, so I deleted it. It doesn't exist. So it was called Cutty Cut, right? Cutty can edit, basically. So I deleted it. Nobody saw it. To say, we see what you're doing. We'd like you to come manage our Facebook page or create an Instagram account for us. So that was sort of like the genesis to how I started. And of course, over the years, my niche has grown. I have tested a lot of things, and I'm just going to give you one of the things that I do now, which is travel. And how it started for me was I took a trip with some of my friends to a place called. My mom will call me like, I remember when you did this when you were 7. You did this. So it was my story, and I mean, I've always been a stand-up comedian, so I wanted to create skits differently, you know. Um, and like I said, I'll tell jokes with animation. It didn't just start, so that's how it started. And then I met an animator, and I'm like, I can make skits, and you convert to animation. And he's like, and then we partnered, and that's how it started. Yeah, collaborations. That's how it started. So we made the first set of skits. If you're familiar with the first set, Aboki puts bread, puts sardine, press down.
Yes, sir.
Press down. Don't tell her all for me.
Yes, sir.
It's your
Wow.
friend from London. Your friend from London.
Yay.
Not the first time, we just posted it on. And then after a year, the person is sending the skit back to me. Ah, this is so funny. I'm like,
So after the program, we had a short break to go and take pictures all around the stand. They have different stands here. This one is just like a boutique, just to create content and take pictures. And I'm just there dancing to the music because I don't actually know what to do with those clothes, And this is another stand like. A studio that you can talk and say lots of things. So we are just there catching fun. And later they gave us a swag bag, like a souvenir. So we collected the bags and things there are very nice. I'm also going to unbox it right now, okay? Keep watching. Thank you. Don't forget to like. Hello guys. So welcome back. So now today I'm going to unbox my gifts that I received from YouTube. I have two gifts. One is actually a challenge we did in a short community, and they send a gift to us through GIG. Take a look, GIG. And also there is an event that called YouTube Black, and we're giving this package after the program. So I'm going to unbox it right now. So we're going to start with the one I received from GIG. GIG for the challenge we did, the YouTube community. So I can't wait to unbox this gift. Okay. Okay. There is this letter here. There is this letter here. I'm going to read it. Hello, congratulations on successfully completing YouTube Shops. Thank you for your commitment to supporting community initiatives. Please enjoy this well-earned reward. We look forward to continuing to build this community and seeing you in our next initiative. So thank you, YouTube. I really appreciate this. Thank you. So let me see the other gift. Wow. Wow, this is a waist bag customized with YouTube. Can you see that? Yes. YouTube waist bag. Wow, I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. Wow, there's another thing there. Pin. This is chest pin. Or you can pin it on your chest like this. You know. Thank you, YouTube. I really appreciate this. I do not take it for granted. Thank you so much. Thank you. So I want to unbox the next gifts. This is the program we had recently. It is called YouTube Future Insider. So wow, this cap is nice. YouTube Black. Yeah, 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 yeah. YouTube Black. Wow. Yeah, YouTube Black. I love this. This is so nice. So nice. Yeah. So there's another gift here. There's another gift. Wow. I love this tote bag. Seriously. But I've been planning to get one and YouTube just said, give me this. I'm so happy. So there is ceramic mug here. Yeah. Wow. Ceramic mug. See, so beautiful. I love this mug. And the fact that it has cover. It's something that I love so much. I can use it to take my tea. You know, I love this. I love this. Another thing we have here. Wow. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. This is tripod and it comes with a USB. USB. This is tripod. I love this. It has Bluetooth. That's Bluetooth here. Yeah, it has Bluetooth. I think, yeah, if you want, you can actually stand it. Yes, you can stand it. Wow, thank you, YouTube. Thank you, YouTube. This is very useful. It's coming to me at the right time. Thank you, YouTube. So, that is that for now. Okay, it doesn't come with manual on how to use it. So, this is what YouTube gave us. And I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to the YouTube Shorts community. Thank you for this gift. This is a thoughtful gift that is very, very useful. And I did not take this for granted. So we keep doing what we know how to do best. But with this, I'm encouraged. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. So if you are new here, you are welcome to Marvelous View. Marvelous View is all about fashion, motherhood, and lifestyle. Please click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and put on your notification bell so that you can get notified next time I drop my video. Bye for now. I love you guys.